Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing noise. Set ISO to base and shoot RAW so you can recover shadows later. Once done, switch to spot or highlight weighted metering and meter the brightest patch you must preserve. Make sure your meter or histogram shows the highlight sitting just below clipping. If it peaks, close aperture or shorten shutter. You're taking control immediately, don't rely on auto. This gives you headroom for highlights and cleaner midtones. Now you refine exposure to protect highlights. Use shutter speed first for motion control, then aperture for depth. Adjust until the highlight clip warning disappears. Once set, enable blinkies or the histogram to confirm no right side clipping. If the scene has extreme contrast, bracket by 1/3 to 2/3 stops so you capture a safe version and a normal exposure. Also make sure to keep ISO low. Raising ISO reduces highlight headroom and makes recovery harder. Finish by taking a test frame and reviewing the RAW histogram and blinkies. You want highlights just under clipping for best detail. If a highlight is still lost, underexpose 1/3 to 1 stop and rely on shadow recovery in RAW. This preserves highlight texture. Once satisfied, lock exposure and continue shooting. If problems persist, troubleshoot by adding fill light, using an ND/grad filter, or changing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.